Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how to add a glove skin, a spray image and a audio. I have my Unity opened here and the first thing I'm gonna do is to import all files that I have. And I have a glove here. Let me show you. This is a glove texture. I have two empty MP3 files and I have an image here to become a spray image. What I'm going to do is to select them all and import to my Unity. And here they are. The easier to do it's the audio file. Click, right click and build skin. That's all. Alright, so build is finished. I know that because both files are created here. Uh, Files will be created with the name of the folder that you are building, in this case model weapons CSS. So that's why this is the name of these files. And what I'm going to do is to rename this file. Those that was I think that was this. So I just rename both files. This first one it's for Android and the second one it's for Windows or PC players. And that's how we do an audio to play in the game. Now, how we can make a spray image? I'm going to select the image, click here on texture type, and select sprite 2D. When I select this, I must click out of this panel and it will ask if I want to apply. Yes, I want. And that's all. All I have to do now is to build. Right click and build skin. The same process will happen. We can check on our documents Brutal Strike skins. When it's done, we can see it's still building and now it's done. There was temporary files here and now it's done and we can rename. What was the name? Katakuri-sama by Denji. So I must rename both files with the same name. Alright, and it's done. And now I will show you how to make glove skins. We need to click on the object that we need to change. Here you can see VHands, that's the model, and albedo. This is what we need to change. This is the last skin that I added. So I need to add this one now. I select until it's orange outside. There's an outline here, can you see? And I just drag and drop this image here. Okay, it's a little bit darker because I set the color. There's a correction to do here. I set the color to code BF, BF, BF. This will be lighter, but it will be too bright in game. So the correct, it's BF, BF, BF color. All right. You can change positions here to see how it looks like. And after it's done, you have to, where's the, oh, here it is. This is the sphere file that we applied the new texture. And all you have to do is right click here and build skin and just wait. Build is almost finished. You can see here the temporary files and it will become only those two files here after it finishes. we need to wait until it's done to rename it, okay? Alright, so it's done and we can rename it now. Both files for Android and for PC, they now have the name that will be the name of the skin in game, okay? Next step is to open game and it will read everything inside this folder and load to your game. So I open it game and I see that everything that I built is loaded. Then I click on modifications and I will load the audio, the spray and the gloves so I can test it before I generate the code. Okay, I'm going to create a room here just to test. So what I do is to take a screenshot of the skin to send to the skin maker and test the audio.
Tá de sacanagem, xerife! É brincalhão! Isso é fanfarrão, xerife! É brincadeira!
I forgot to test the spray, but here goes a screenshot of the result of it. And the last step is to create the skin code. So I open modifications, click on the skin that I want to create, for example this one, and I need to set the icon first. Here I select a PNG image. Okay, and the next step is to define the number of uses of this skin code and click on generate code. Thanks for watching.